KTM appears to be preparing a new middleweight Supersport motorcycle, with early test prototypes indicating that the long-rumored 790RC is now under development. Spy shots captured in Austria suggest the manufacturer is building a fully fared machine based on the recently updated 790 Duke, bringing a twin-cylinder option to its RC lineup. At first glance, the prototype closely resembles the flagship 990 RCR, largely because it wears the larger bike's fairing during testing. However, several details reveal its true identity. The swing arm, high-mounted exhaust system, and WP braking components are all characteristic of the 790 Duke platform, confirming that the new motorcycle is built around KTM's proven middleweight architecture. This development is hardly surprising. The 790 Duke and the 990 RCR share numerous components, allowing KTM to create a fared version of the 790 with relatively minimal engineering changes. The chassis, frame, and suspension are also expected to be carried over from the naked bike, helping keep development costs and timelines under control. Power is expected to come from KTM's familiar 799cc LC8C parallel twin engine, which currently delivers around 105 horsepower in the Duke. While a slight performance adjustment is possible, a significant increase seems unlikely, as KTM will want to maintain a clear performance gap between the 790RC and the more powerful 990RCR. Rather than chasing outright performance, the 790 is expected to combine sporty dynamics with everyday usability. KTM has emphasized rider comfort in the larger 990 RCR, and a similar philosophy could carry over to the smaller model. Riders can expect a comfortable riding position suitable for daily use, while still offering the sharp handling and capability needed for occasional track day sessions. The final production styling remains a mystery. The fairing seen on the prototype is believed to be borrowed from the 990 RCR solely for testing purposes, meaning the finished motorcycle could feature its own distinct design when it reaches production. An official unveiling has yet to be confirmed. Motorcycle development at this stage typically takes up to 2 years, although KTM could potentially speed up the process by leveraging the extensive parts shared with the Duke. The 790RC also signals KTM's broader strategy to expand its fully fared sport bike portfolio. At present, the RC390 and 990 RCR are KTM's only production sport bikes. However, the addition of the 790 RC would create a more comprehensive RC lineup, offering sport bikes across multiple performance segments while building on the brand's racing pedigree.